Are you tired of seeing SUV prices skyrocket and wondering if there are still any good deals left? You're not alone. SUVs are more popular than ever. They offer space, comfort, and safety, but the price tags can be scary. The good news, there are still some amazing SUVs you can buy under $30,000 in 2025 that are practical, stylish, and reliable. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best SUVs under $30K, break down their features, and help you figure out which one is right for you. And make sure to stick around until the very end because I'll share a bonus tip on how to get the lowest possible price at the dealership. It's a trick that very few buyers know. Now let's talk about why this topic is so important. Many first-time SUV buyers end up overspending just because they think affordable SUVs don't exist anymore, but that's not true. Whether you're a college student, a small family, or just looking for a daily driver that won't break the bank, the 5 SUVs I'm about to show you prove that you don't need to compromise on quality to save money. Let's kick things off with our first contender, the Toyota Corolla Cross. Think of it as a Corolla that hit the gym and turned into an SUV. It's built on Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability, which means you'll get years of worry-free ownership. Starting at around $24,000, this crossover is one of the most affordable on the list, yet it doesn't skimp on features. You get about 32 miles per gallon combined, which makes it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in this price range. Inside, you'll find Toyota's Safety Sense suite standard on every trim, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The cargo area is surprisingly roomy for its size, making it perfect for road trips, grocery hauls, or carrying sports gear. Next, we have the Mazda CX-30, and honestly, this one feels like you're driving a luxury SUV without the luxury price tag. The moment you step inside, you notice the difference. Mazda has one of the most premium interiors in this class with high-quality materials and a modern design. Even the steering feels precise and sporty, giving you a connection to the road that other budget SUVs can't match. Starting around $25,000, you get an intuitive infotainment system, excellent sound insulation, and one of the best driving experiences for the money. If you want something affordable but still fun to drive, the CX-30 is a top pick. Our third SUV is the Hyundai Kona, which is probably the most tech-packed SUV you can buy under $30K. You get a crisp digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available all-wheel drive for added confidence. The Kona also offers a turbocharged engine option, giving you great acceleration while still maintaining strong fuel economy. But the real winner here is Hyundai's industry-leading warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, which is perfect if you plan on keeping the car for a long time. For around $25,000, this SUV gives you tech, style, and peace of mind in one package. At number 4, we have the Honda HR-V, which is all about practicality. Honda has designed the HR-V with their famous magic seat system, which lets you fold the back seats completely flat or flip them up to carry taller items. It's a small SUV, but you'll be amazed by how much cargo space you get, perfect for people who need flexibility for travel, moving, or outdoor activities. The HR-V also delivers a comfortable, smooth ride and comes with Honda's excellent resale value, meaning when it's time to sell or trade in, you'll get a better return compared to most competitors. And finally, the Kia Seltos, probably the most stylish SUV under $30K. Kia has been making some of the best-looking cars lately, and the Seltos is no exception. With its bold design, large infotainment screen, and roomy back seats, it's a great choice for young families or anyone who wants something that looks modern and premium. The Seltos also offers all-wheel drive on multiple trims and a solid list of safety features that come standard, so you don't have to pay extra for peace of mind. Now here's the thing, all 5 of these SUVs offer great value, but they all have different strengths. The Toyota Corolla Cross is for those who prioritize reliability and fuel economy. The Mazda CX-30 is for driving enthusiasts who want a sporty feel. The Hyundai Kona is for tech lovers who want a warranty that lasts longer than most car loans. The Honda HR-V is for practicality seekers who need cargo flexibility. And the Kia Seltos is for style-conscious buyers who want to stand out without overspending. Before we wrap this up, let me share that bonus tip I promised earlier. If you're serious about getting the best deal, shop near the end of the month or the end of the quarter. Dealerships have sales quotas and they're more willing to give discounts to hit their targets. Also, check for manufacturer rebates or special APR financing on their official websites. Many people miss these offers and end up paying full price. So which of these SUVs would you choose with $30,000 to spend? Drop your choice in the comments. I'd love to see what everyone thinks. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon